It's like an Air Max 270, but more premium, more luxe. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Max 270 Premium String colorway. Now, the story behind this shoe is basically an Air Max 270, except premium. There's nothing else that really needs to be said about the shoe. I don't know. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard Air Max 270 box, the white box with the black logo and the various logos embossed on the white top. And the colorway is string and desert ochre. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features the same shape and style of the Air Max 270 regular, however with much more premium detailing. Taking a look at the toe, you have the perforated leather toe, and this is in string, and you have the desert ochre Nike swoosh. The tongue is a mesh tongue with the leather panel for the tongue tag, and you have an orange Air Max 270 logo on the tongue tag. Also, the shoe has nylon eyelets with the more thick gray shoelaces. The insole is an olive colorway with the Air Max 270 logo in white. Taking a look at the lateral, you have more of the perforated leather upper, as well as a synthetic olive and mesh orange panel. Taking a look at the heel, you got the desert ochre heel with the embossed Air Max 270 logo. The medial also features the perforated leather upper, but it also features the olive panel with the 270 logo, and you have the panel in mesh by the heel. The midsole is white with the giant olive air bubble, and you've got the outsole, which is a combination of white, olive, and brown. I don't know why it feels like when Nike needs a premium release, they slap this like string olive desert ochre colorway on it. It just seems like this is a recurring theme of, oh, this is a premium release, let's slap this grayish, brownish, Yeezy-ish color. It almost looks like the Zen Gray Yeezy colorway, which was also another shoe that was supposed to be a premium release. With that being said, I'm not a fan of the colorway, but I am a fan of the more premium materials that are used on the shoe. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump.
Ryan Little.
Air Max 270 Premium String is now available at select Nike retailers and Nike.com for a retail price of $170. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.